Hello, I'm John Paulo Miguel Acosta, and I'm applying as one of your cybersecurity. I'm 20 years old, and I graduated from Mapua University under Bachelor of Science, Masters in Information Technology. During my time at Mapua University, I developed strong technical skills in areas like network security, handling on-the-spot pressure, and vulnerability assessment. I completed relevant courses such as cybersecurity fundamentals, risk management, and incident response, all of which sharpened my ability to identify and mitigate potential threats through mastering Cisco. I had the opportunity to complete my on-the-job training at Cryotech, where I worked as a programmer and program tester. This hands-on experience allowed me to contribute to secure software development, testing programs for vulnerabilities, and ensuring system integrity. During my time there, I developed my problem solving and critical thinking skills, effectively managing projects while meeting tight deadlines. I excelled as a team player, collaborating seamlessly with my colleagues across departments, and demonstrated leadership in project milestones. My ability to manage and time efficiently and communicate technical concepts clearly made me a key contributor to the team's success. What excites me the most about cybersecurity is the constant challenge of staying ahead of emerging threats. I'm eager to continue learning and growing in this field, and I learn forward to bringing my problem solving mindset and collaborating attitude to your company. I'm thrilled to join to the company as a cybersecurity where I can leverage my technical expertise, passion for safeguarding digital environments, and strong work ethic. I have mastered programming languages such as C++, Python, Java, and HTML, which allow me to efficiently analyze security and develop robust systems to counteract emerging cybersecurity threats. Thank you for your time, and I look forward speaking with you soon.